Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I am about to make the most delicious cake you'll ever taste it in your entire life. It is good by itself, or you can top it off with whatever icing you like. So if you're interested on seeing how it's done, keep on watching and let's get started. Alrighty, before I begin, make sure you guys have all your ingredients at room temperature because that is a must. Now I am using butter flavor shortening. I am using about 8 ounces of cream cheese and as well as 1 stick of butter. Everything is room temperature like I said. I am going to mix it with my hand mixer until everything is nice and smooth. Alrighty, now I am going to add my egg in there. I am using 4 large eggs. Once you add your egg in there, use your hand mixer to mix it until everything is well combined. Alrighty, once you have everything nice and smooth and mixed well together, we're going to add our, what are we adding next? We're going to add our vanilla extract. Be sure you're using pure vanilla extract, and then I will be adding a little bit of milk. I am using half and half. You can use whatever milk you want, whole milk, skim milk. I don't really care. It's your cake, you can do whatever you want. The milk doesn't really matter at this point. Okay, once that is well combined, I am going to add my sugar in there. Mix the sugar until it's nice and dissolved. If you touch your batter and you feel like there's like sugar still in it, you need to mix it some more. I will say mix it for about 5 minutes. Now this is my flour. What's in my flour? I added baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And make sure you sift your flour. This flour already sifted, so we're good. Okay, I am going to add the flour in there gradually. Now once you add all your flour in there, just keep on mixing it until everything is well combined. You see how smooth it is? Make sure it's nice and smooth, just like mine. And then it should give you a nice little peak like I'm doing right now when you put the hand mixer in there, just like so. Alrighty, now I am going to pour my cake in this container right here. Make sure you spray your, or you can butter your container really good, because when you have to take this cake out, you need it to be out. So make sure you butter it really good, or spray a non-stick spray like I used in the video. Once you're done adding it, give it a quick tap so we can remove the air bubbles. We're going to bake it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Yes, 1 hour and 20 minutes on 325 degrees. Once it comes out, this is how it's supposed to look. And we're going to let this cake rest for about 2 hours so it can cool down. I am about to make my icing. All I'm using is some powdered sugar with a little tiny bit of milk. Mix it up together until you have a nice thick batter like this, mixture or whatever. And then once your cake is nice and cool, we're just going to pour it all over. Like I said, this cake is good by itself, or you can use any icing, any toppings that you want. This is it. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It was nice and smooth. Let me tell you, this cake is the moistest cake I've ever tasted in my entire life. And I'm not even over exaggerating, you guys, because there was so much butter to make it nice and smooth. It just melts in your mouth. It's moist. And no dry cake here. This cake is moist. It's wet. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoy it. Share it with a friend, family. I know the side are a little overcooked, but that's on my part because I left it in there for a little bit longer than I supposed to. But 1 hour and 20 minutes is the time to cook this cake. This is it, you guys. Look how good this cake look. Like, when I tell you it's moist, this cake is moist. Be sure to check the ingredients in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. Hey, be sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching.